Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I've got another package I just received in the mail. This is a result of using eBay bucks from the first quarter of the year. So I had over $100 worth of eBay bucks to use. And for anybody who watches the live stream that me and Mrs. TB have on Monday nights, this is the same coin that we opened up on the live stream. But I wanted to do a video on it as well because I know there's a lot of people that don't watch the live streams for whatever reason. And this is a really cool coin. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so I got it from Bold Precious Metals on eBay. And let's see what I picked up here. We have a Canadian maple leaf. Let me go ahead and take it out of the plastic here. The plastic's just too shiny coming off of the lights here. So one of the cool things I like to order on eBay, one of the cool things I really like is the sorry about that, is the random years. When they say random year, because you never know what you're going to get. And look at this one. This one is a 1990. Isn't that cool? Wow, almost 30 years old. You can see it says $10. It is a 1/4 ounce. And let's flip it over and look at this awesome maple leaf. And one of the things I really like, I'll put it under the coin cam here in a second. And one of the things I really like about these Canadian maple leaves is that they're 9999. That's 4 nines, pure gold. You can see it here right next to either side of the maple leaf. It says 999. Fine gold, 1/4 ounce. I'll go ahead and put it under the coin cam. We'll take a look at it. But what a beautiful coin, huh? 1990. Really cool. So let me put it over here. And let's take a look. Yeah, let me try my focus a little bit. I mean, this thing's just so shiny. If we can get it in any better focus. Let me scoot this over. Yeah, look at that, huh? She's a beaut. And let's flip it over and look at that awesome maple leaf, huh? Wow, look at that. It's just so shiny. It's so hard to capture. Wow, look at how nice that is. Let me see if any of my other filters here. I know some of them are going to look pretty bad, but I think there's another filter here at the end that might look a little better. Yeah, I thought that one might look a little better. Still hard. It's so hard for this thing to get a good focus on it because it's so shiny. But look at that. What a beautiful coin, huh? You can see the 4 nines on either side of the leaf. Fine gold, 1/4 ounce, or pure. And then let's look at the queen again. $10. Pretty nice. In 1990 there. Wow. So anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. What do you guys think? Pretty nice coin, huh? Let me see if I can put it down here. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. There we go. Look at how nice that is. That is a really sharp coin. And again, the lights are just bouncing off it so harshly that I cut my lights in half to try to improve this. What if I were to do this with the camera? So that's a good picture right there, huh? Very, very nice coin. So what do you guys think, huh? So I ended up paying about $220 after eBay bucks. So I got this roughly $370, $380 coin for $220. So I was pretty excited about that. Helped me to meet my 2019 strategic goals. And this will qualify for another month's worth of 1/4 ounce of gold that I've been trying to get. So that's really cool. So let me blow it back up again, or come back out again a little bit. What I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it in one of these airtights. Now these airtights are made for the US 1/4 ouncers like this. In fact, I showed this on a recent video, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in there as well, but Let me do the comparison here real quick for you. Let me get it out of this plastic and show you something. And as you can see here, the Canadian coin is a little bit smaller than the American coin. Let me just pull my camera down so we can see that. It's very difficult to see. But there is a rim on there that American coin is sticking out beyond the Canadian coin. And you'll find that these airtights fit the American coins perfectly. But the Canadian coins, there's a little bit of an edge in there. But they go on tight and they don't flop around. So let me take the Canadian one we just looked at, and put it in there first. So you can see here, can you see a little bit of the sloppiness, right? Doesn't quite fit in there. But what I like to do is I like to get it centered up on there, because once you put this airtight on, it'll be in there tight. So put that airtight on, squeeze it down, and see it doesn't shake around. So it's good enough that it doesn't shake. So it does hold it in place. You can see I'm a little bit off center there. Oh well. So there you go. So that coin's nice and safe and airtight. Let's take this last one I just bought. I did a video on this. It's a 1903, pre-1933 US coin, 1/4 ounce. Just a beauty. Let's get this in an airtight as well. You can see here, there's hardly any play in there. There's a tiny bit, but it almost fits perfectly. So then we go ahead and put the top on this guy, this girl. And now this one doesn't fit quite as well. I mean, it fits, but it does shake a little bit. So the Canadian coin must be a little bit thicker. I could get out my micrometer and check. Canadian coin must be just slightly thicker than the American coin, because it doesn't shake at all. And this one does a little bit, which means it's not holding it in from the top to the bottom. But anyway, what do you guys think? A couple of beauties right there, huh? This meets my 2 months worth of gold, 1/4 ounces. One's, I think these are rated about 90-91%, and the rest is copper. That's why they tend to have a little bit of a red tone to them. But the Canadian Maple Leaf, this is pure gold. 9999, 4 nines. No copper in that baby. Well, who knows? That 5th 9 is probably, well, who knows? That little bit that's left over is probably copper, but you can't see it in the coin like you can with the American ones. So let me flip the queen over so we can look from head to head. And let's flip the backs over. So we got this eagle, we got this maple leaf. 2 things that represent each country. Pretty cool, huh? Nice. Anyway, that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, hit the notification bell. Then you'll be notified whenever I put out a new video, which I do quite a bit. And also, check out these 2 videos that just popped up for you. Got some great stuff out there. I think you'll enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.